Hello friends, aviation enthusiasts, plane lovers, aspiring pilots. I am Meghna Thomas and I welcome you all aboard the official channel for Golden Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. India has a very rapidly growing aviation industry and currently we are the 9th largest aviation market in the world. Wow, that's just great. So can you imagine, because of this rapid growth, there is a high demand of highly skilled and competent pilots. So if you are someone who's looking to be in the cockpit or rather dreaming of being in the sky, you have landed yourself at the right page. Golden Epaulettes Aviation is going to help you achieve your dream. But before we go any further, there are 3 things that you have to do for me. That is, like, share and subscribe. Oh, and also don't forget to ring the bell icon for all the future updates that will follow. So without any further delays, let me tell you more about us. Golden Epaulettes Aviation is an ISO certified pilot training institute and we are based in New Delhi. So in case you've decided to come and see us and say a hello, you will find the address and contact at the description below. Golden Epaulettes Aviation is a leading pilot training academy and we have been in the business for more than a decade now. We offer ground training courses for CPL, ATPL, RTR, Airline Preparatory classes, basically for those people who hold a CPL and are looking to get into the airlines. We also help with the tests for Cadet pilot programs. There are various airlines which come up with Cadet training programs like Indigo, AirAsia, Air Arabia and so on. So we also prepare you for those. And we often conduct a workshop called the Takeoff Workshop, the details about which I would be telling you in our further videos. So if you are someone who's worried about the DGCA exams or about getting into the airlines, let me tell you, do not worry. You are in the safe hands of Golden Epaulettes Aviation. Golden Epaulettes Aviation has a set of highly exceptional instructors who have the experience of more than 15 years of ground training and 5,000 plus hours of airline experience. Guys, this is just awesome. So do not worry, you will be trained and guided by them in helping you build your knowledge, skill, and most importantly, the right attitude for you to have in the cockpit. Here you will be provided study materials as per the DGCA curriculum. We also conduct assignments, extensive tests, and doubt clearing sessions, both offline and online. Yes guys, we also conduct classes online. So for those of you who find it difficult to come to Delhi, or even if you are in Delhi and find it difficult to leave your homes and come out to attend the classes, we offer courses online as well. Well, thanks to the advances in technology, or maybe thanks to COVID, I don't know if I should say that, but life has been made a little bit more easier, right? We can easily attend classes even by sitting at home. Isn't that just great? Just sitting at home and studying for everything? I wish we also had that option. Anyway, let me just get back to the topic. We here at Golden Epaulettes Aviation also provide you assistance in getting the computer number, the documentation related to that. Every pilot in our country has a computer number, a very important number for a pilot. So yes, you will be offered assistance for the same. We will also help you with your medicals class 2 and class 1. Guys, it is very important for every pilot to get their medicals done. It happens every year and my suggestion, before you think of starting an aviation career, it would be better if you could get your medicals done, class 2 and preferably class 1. Very important guys, you need to know if everything is in place and intact, you have to meet the medical standards, then only will you be allowed to fly. So this is a very important thing to be ticked off first. We will also help you with the NIOS exams. Basically, I'm sure you guys know that if you have to become a pilot, you should have maths and physics as your subjects in 11th and 12th. But don't worry, in case you were a commerce student without maths and physics, NIOS is National Institute of Open Schooling, which allows you to give exams for these subjects. And once you're done with this, you get your certificates and you can easily become a pilot. We will also help you getting your board verification, police verification, assisting you for the education loan, which is yes very important for certain people to get the education loan. So we will help you with whatever documentation is required for that. And most importantly, what we are going to help you with is to choose the right flying school for you to start your career and land yourself in the dream airline. So if you have dreamt to be a pilot someday, I'm sure you would have also thought of which airline is it that you would want to be in. Yes guys, we will help you each step, holding your hands, guiding you. Golden Epaulettes Aviation will be with you all throughout your aviation career. Now let me tell you a little bit more about the achievements of Golden Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy. We, as an institute, can boast of more than 1,000 students who have cleared their DGCA exams in the first go. We also have with us more than 2,000 CPL holders who have gotten placed in the airlines. And do you know why? Like I said, we have the best instructors in the country. And to top it all, we also have more than 5,000 ATPL candidates. So if you are someone who's in the airline and is looking for the big jump, you know where to go. So guys, this was a really sweet and short introduction of Golden Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy. On our page in the future, we will be uploading more videos related to the computer number, documentation, medicals, more in detail about all these things which I mentioned. And also I would again be telling you about the takeoff workshop. So if you have liked my video and have rung the bell icon, all the updates will follow. So thank you guys for sticking with us till the end, and welcome once again to Golden Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. What are you waiting for? Come, let's fly!